So I was just talking with one of my friends and we were kind of problem solving. We were texting back and forth, and there's, like, okay, here's the problem and how are some solutions that we can try to solve the problem. And I was thinking about, as I am faced with a problem, how do I have hope that I can solve it? How do I have hope through it? And one of the things that I think that I often even take for granted is that, like, I have God with me, so I can pray and give anything that I have, any worries or any concerns or any problems, to God. And that might sound like, whoa, what does that even mean? And I was thinking about how I would explain what that looks like for me. And so I was just going to share, kind of like, when I am faced with something that I'm not sure, like, okay, I see there's a puzzle and I don't know how it fits together. First of all, I remember that it fits together. I remember that there is an author of this entire story. So even though I can't see the solution to this problem, there is solutions. It's out there. And not just that, but when I believe that I am the daughter of the King, when I believe who I am, who God's made me to be, I believe that that solution is there for me too. Like it's not too far from me. It's not, I have everything I need to solve this problem right in front of me. And when I believe that I have everything I need to solve this problem right in front of me, I start to become a little more creative with how to solve the problem. It's usually when I start to think out of the box a little bit and I start to explore other options that I hadn't seen right there in front of me. And really sometimes it takes that stepping back and just acknowledging things in the right proportion, like knowing that, okay, I'm not greater than I am, because I can't. It's not just, oh, I can solve any problem I want because I'm super amazing, but it's that I've been given the tools to be able to solve any problem that I want because I have been given love. And in that, sometimes it means to be patient. It means to step back. It means to take some deep breaths and really just think and meditate on these things. Give them to God. Give them, okay, Lord, I don't know what the solution is, but I know you know it. So I'm going to choose to trust you. Just help me to listen to you. Help me just to trust you. And in that, I'm not just being greedy for solutions so that I can solve a problem, but I'm acknowledging that of itself, I can't do this. I really need you. I need you to show me these solutions. And he always is faithful to show us. He's always faithful to answer our prayers, and he's always faithful to point us back to him, which is love, like love above all things. And if we remember that, most of the problems that we have in these moments are very solvable. It's that he's given us this equation to be able to test it and say, okay, is this right? Is this right? Is this right? Would this work? Would this work? And so I just want to encourage other people, like, slow down. If you have problems in front of you, don't try to solve them too quickly. Step back for a second, take some deep breaths, take a bigger look at it. What are you doing? Why are you doing it? Go back to really your reasons why, and that'll slow you down enough for you to be able to really depend not just on yourself, but on God, and to remember that this right now is his story. He's already planned it. He's already written it. He already knows it. Don't fight him on that. Rest and let yourself really trust God in these moments. And in these moments, it'll unfold in front of you more beautifully than even you could have ever thought.